Hello dear student. So already two lectures over on complex number. Today is the third lecture. So today topic is cubic root of unity. This is very important. So cubic root of unity. Children, this topic is not in the textbook. This topic is not in the textbook, but this is there in JEE main syllabus. So for CET also this one is not there, in textbook also not there. For JEE mains, JEE mains are advanced level. Mains are advanced level. This topic is there. What is the name of this one? Cubic root of unity. So what is the cubic root of unity? Cubic root of unity is nothing but cubic root means third root. Unity means 1. Means cubic root of unity is always indicated by the letter omega. Cubic root of unity always indicated by the omega. Then we will write this is called omega. Omega cube value equal to 1. This is a very important term. Cubic root of unity always indicated by the letter omega. That means we can write omega cube equal to 1. This is the topic not in the theory, only for JEE mains and advanced level. This topic is there. So I am going to write some important conditions here. Concentrate on the board. See, first of all, today topic is on the cubic root of unity. So two important points are there. First point is 1 plus omega square equal to 0. And next one is the omega cube equal to 1. Because cubic root of unity equal to 1. Now I am going to use these two conditions. 1 plus omega square equal to 0 and omega cube equal to 1. So using this I am going to explain now the first question on this model is omega square plus omega minus 1 which is having whole cube minus omega square minus omega plus 1 which is having whole cube. This is the question. So here he asked what is the value. All these are the JEE mains and advanced level question, children. So here we know it 1 plus omega square value we know it. But here there is no plus 1. If there is plus 1 we can put 0. But here there is no plus 1. Here minus 1 is there. So what we have to do, just to convert here 1 here is, so from this we can take like this. So what we can do, so from this condition we can take, we want omega square plus omega. If you want omega plus omega square, then plus 1 you send that side. Then what happened? Omega plus omega square value is minus 1. So I am using this condition in this case. So omega plus omega square value is minus 1. Already one more minus 1 is there, which is having whole cube. In the same manner, here also minus omega limit omega square plus 1. From the same condition, we want 1 plus omega. 1 plus omega square, what means you send this omega next side. Then what happened? 1 plus omega square value is equal to minus omega. So in the place of 1 plus omega square, we can write minus omega. Already one more minus omega is there, which is having whole cube. So minus 1 is nothing but minus 2. Minus 2 whole cube. Minus omega is nothing but minus 2 omega whole cube. So minus 2 cube. 2 cube means 8. Minus cube means minus. 2 cube means 8. This is the value of omega cube. Because 2 cube is the 8 omega cube. So we know it, children. What is the omega cube value? The omega cube value is 1. We can substitute here. Then minus 8. Minus into minus plus 8. Omega cube value is 1. So minus 8 plus 8 cancel. Then what is the answer? The answer is 0. This is one of the very important question. My dear children, one more time I am going to explain this problem. One more time I am going to explain. Because of that the important one. Must and should you keep in your mind that the two equations. One more time I am explaining that. The question is omega square plus omega minus 1 which is having whole cube minus again omega square plus 1 which is having 4 cube. This is the question. So one more time I am going to explain. Here omega, first of all write down plus terms at one side. So omega square plus this is there minus 1 whole cube minus here also 1 plus omega square is there. This is minus omega whole cube. So we have the condition. What is that one? 1 plus omega square equal to 0. So from this I want the omega plus omega square value I want. That means this plus 1 you send that side. Then what is the answer? Omega plus omega square equal to minus 1. In the same manner, here also is there. What is that one? Again I am going to take the condition. 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Now came back 1 plus omega square back. Plus omega the same model. Then 1 plus omega square equal to minus omega. So my dear children, these two I am going to replace here in the question. Means omega plus omega square value is minus 1. Again one more minus 1 which is having 4 cube minus half. 1 plus omega square. 1 plus omega square is nothing but minus omega. One more minus omega which is having 4 cube. Minus 1 minus 2 which is having 4 cube. Minus omega minus 2 omega whole cube. So minus cube means minus 8 minus cube means minus 8. This is the omega cube. Yakandra minus cube is minus 2 cube means 8 omega cube. Then we came to know the answer is minus 8. Here minus into minus plus 8. Omega cube value is 1. So the answer is minus 8 plus 8. What is the answer? Answer is 0. So these are the very important questions. So these are called the cubic root of unity. Okay, children. Now we'll go to the another question on this model. The next question is if n is a multiple of 3, then if n is a multiple of 3, then omega power n plus omega power 2n, this is the value, is equal to. He is telling that one n is a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means third table, 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 like this. Just to take only one. First to take n is equal to 3. Multiple of 3 means you put in this question. In this question if you substitute 3, then omega power 3 plus omega power 2 into 3. Then what about children? Omega power 3, 2 3s are stated 6. This 6 I am writing like this. Omega cube a whole square. Yakandra 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Both are same. Why? Because of that, omega cube value I know it 1. Plus here also omega cube value 1 square. So 1 square means 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. So what is the answer children? The answer is 2. So if n is a multiple of 3 means third table. N equal to 3, n equal to 6, n equal to 9, like that you have to take. Suppose if you take n equal to 3, in the place of n if you put the 3, then omega cube is omega cube whole square. Omega cube is the 1 square means 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. So this is the answer. Once again, for your purpose I am writing here the cubic root of unity 1 plus omega square equal to 0 and omega cube value is 1. The entitlements I am going to use this one. And one more. So 15th of this month again our full-fledged college is starting up. Then if those who are not understood this one, you can ask me personally when the colleges are going to start. So 15th onwards the college is starting. Then you come and ask me these doubts one more time I will clarify. Now next question is if n is not a multiple of 3. Is not a multiple of 3, then same question omega power plus omega power 2n equal. Children, if n is a not multiple of 3, not a multiple of 3 means not 3 or 6. Means not a multiple of 3 means 1 is not a multiple of 3, 2 is not a multiple of 3, 4, 5, because 3 is a multiple, 6 is a multiple. Okay now? So you can take any one value, you will get the answer. Generally we take easy one, means 1 we will take. That means n equal to 1, n equal to 1 is not a multiple of 3. Then if you substitute 3 power 1 plus 3 power 2 into 1. So what is the answer? Omega power 1 means 1. Next one is the omega square. Now we have this condition. 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Now came to omega plus omega square ಬೇಕು. Means this value I want. Set this plus 1, that's why it is converted as minus 1. So what is the answer, my dear children? The answer is minus 1. Why? Understood enough? What is the condition? 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Now came to omega plus omega square ಬೇಕು. This one. So plus 1 and same ಮಾಡು omega plus omega square equal to minus 1. This is the answer. Okay, children? Now we'll go to the next question. This is the question so many times asked in the previous exam. A plus b omega plus c omega by c plus a omega plus b omega square. This is the question. So here options are important, my dear children. Here 3-4 options are given. First option is 0, second option is 1, third option is omega, and fourth option is omega square. Here 4 options also given. He is asking this one guy. So 0 is there, 1 is there, omega is there, omega square also is there. How to do this one? Just you think, calm down and think. The numerator and denominator both are same. Here A is there, B is there, C is there. Everything is same. The problem is here A is having omega. Here A has no omega. Here B having omega square. Here B is having only omega. Means observe matter. Here omega square, omega cube. One omega is less. So what I am going to do? Multiply numerator and divide the denominator with omega. And then multiply and divide with omega. Then what happened? Multiply and divide with omega. To whom is numerator as well as denominator. So you multiply with this omega the numerator. Okay, let's check that. Then what happened? This one is the 1 by omega. Multiply with omega. A omega plus b omega square plus c omega cube. A omega, b into omega square plus c omega cube. By c plus a omega plus b omega. But here, my dear children, here omega cube value we know. What is the omega cube value? Omega cube value is here. Omega cube value is 1. So if you will put there 1 by omega, so we will write a omega plus b omega square plus c. Omega cube value is 1. But here also we can write c plus a omega plus b omega square. Notice both are same. So what is the answer? 1 by omega. But you see the options. In the options, there is no 1 by omega. There is no 1 by omega in the options. Then 0 is there, 1 is there, omega is there, omega square is there. My dear children, we go it up. Here only we have what is the 1 value? 1 is nothing but omega cube. In the place of 1, we can write omega cube by omega. So out of 3, 1 omega cancels. Still how many is there? Omega square is there. So what is the answer? Both 1 is the answer. So just a simple method. Multiply numerator with omega and divide with 1 omega. A omega, B omega square, C omega cube. Omega cube means 1. So both are cancelled 1 by omega. But the options are not there. Then 1 means omega cube, we change. You will get the answer. This is one of the very important questions asked so many times in the competitive exam. Now we'll go to the another question. The next question is 1 by 1 plus 2 omega minus 1 by 1 plus omega plus 1 by 2 plus omega. This is the answer. Then how to do this one? First we do the LCM. What is the LCM? 1 plus 2 omega into 1 plus omega into 2 plus omega. We do the LCM here. LCM means we know it. Which one we have, except that we have to get remaining two terms. What are the remaining two terms? 1 by 1 plus omega plus 2 plus omega minus. Except this, these two terms we have to get. Means 1 plus 2 omega, the two terms are 1 plus 2 omega plus 2 plus omega. Next one is, next one. So if we can write the next one, here 1 plus 2 omega below. These two terms we have to write in numerator. That means 1, because these are called the LCM plus 1 plus 4. Don't do any simplification of denominator. Only you simplify the numerator. You will get the answer here. How to simplify? Nothing. Just you multiply with 1 with 1. 1 into 2, 1 into omega, omega. Omega into 2, 2 omega plus omega into omega is nothing but omega square. Here also multiply here with 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 into omega, omega. 2 2s are 4 omega. Okay, na children? Plus 2 into omega square. Come to the point here with 1, 1 into 1 is the 1, 1 into omega is the omega. 2 omega plus into 1 is 2 omega, 2 into omega square. So this is the answer here. Why I put here bracket? Because of that here negative sign is there. Here negative sign. That's why. So here come to the point denominator. Don't simplify, my dear children, denominator. Leave it the denominator like that only. So now come to the point. Expand the bracket. Before that, if it is possible, you cancel it. Now here. So I am going to expand the bracket. 2 plus omega plus 2 omega plus omega is nothing but 3 omega. We can write 3 omega plus omega square. Expand this one minus 2 omega. It is the minus 5 omega minus 2 omega square. And outside is the plus 1 is there, plus omega is there, 2 omega. Sorry, it is nothing but 3 omega. Omega plus 2 omega is nothing but 3 omega plus 2 omega square. Whole 1 plus 2 omega into 1 plus omega into 2 plus omega. Now, we will do here plus 2 minus 2 both get cancelled. Next one is the, we can simplify. How to simplify? Here, see minus 2 omega square plus omega square is cancelled. Still, I think no chance. We can add this one. What is the remaining terms are there here? Here 3 omega is there. Here also plus 3 omega is there. Here 3 omega plus 3 omega is nothing but 6 omega. We do 6 omega here. 3 omega plus 3 omega 6 omega minus 5 omega. 6 omega minus 5 omega means only omega is there. See 3 plus 3 6 minus 5. Only one omega is there. Next one omega square is there. Omega plus omega square. Next here plus 1 is there, plus 1 is there, plus 1 by something denominator is there. The denominator don't do. We know it 1 plus omega square. 1 plus omega square value is 0. 0 by any number 0. That's it, my dear children. Only LCM. What is LCM? 1 plus 2 omega, this one. Which one is there? Except the remaining two terms we have to write. 1 plus omega, 2 plus omega. Here this one is 1 plus 2 omega, 2 plus again this one. If you multiply and simplify, now you will get the answer 0. That's why I said no need to simplify the denominator. Okay, now this is the question. Now I go to the other question. See, 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square into 1 minus omega power 4 into 1 minus omega power 5 into 1 minus omega power 7 into 1 minus omega power 8. This is a question, very lengthy question. 1 minus omega square, omega power 4, omega power 5, 7 and 8. Now how to multiply? Total 6 terms are there, my dear children. We will multiply two terms. Means these two terms first we will multiply. 1 ones are 1 into omega square minus 1 into omega minus into minus omega into omega square is nothing but omega cube. Here also we will multiply 1 ones are 1 into omega power 5 minus omega power 4 minus into minus plus 4 plus 5 is nothing but 9. Again these two also we multiply 2 to multiply 1 ones are 1 again 1 into minus omega power 8. This is the omega power 7 minus into minus plus omega power 7 plus 8 is the 50. So if we can simplify here 1 minus omega square, here omega cube value is 1. Here also 1 minus this omega power 5 we can write omega cube into omega square, because see children 3 plus 2 is nothing but 5. So this omega power 4 we can write omega cube into omega cube plus 1 4 plus this omega power 9 we can write omega cube whole cube. Like this I am going to simplify, because 3 3s are 9 enough. Here 3 plus 1 is the 4, 3 plus 2 is the 5. Because for simplification into come to the point 1 minus this omega power 8 is there. So this omega power 8 means we can write like this: omega cube omega square, because 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 is the 8. Now this omega power 7, this one also we can write omega cube omega 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 is the 7. And this omega power 5 15 omega cube whole power 5 because 3 5s are 50. Make it down, whatever is there we are using only 2, this one and this one, using that only and simplifying. Now come to the point, my dear children. 1 plus 1 is the 2. Here minus omega, take minus common, then omega plus omega square. The first one is over. Here taking minus common, 1 plus 1 is the 2. Now come to the point here. Here we can put omega cube value is 1. 1 minus omega cube is the 1 into omega square. Here also omega cube value is 1 into omega is the omega. Here omega cube value is the 1 cube is nothing but 1. Here 1 minus omega cube 1 into 1 into omega square is nothing but omega square. Here omega cube 1 into 1 into omega plus here omega cube value is 1 over 5 means 1. Then finally if you make it then 2 minus, here taking minus common, let it be, will do all terms at a time. Okay, please write. Here also 1 plus 1 is the 2, take minus common, 1 omega plus omega square. Here also we will take 1 plus 1 is the 2, take minus common, omega plus omega square. So all terms omega plus omega square is there. Using the first identity, what is the first identity? 1 plus omega square value is 0. Now can we go omega plus omega square plus 1 and same that side. Then what happens children? 1 omega plus omega square equal to minus 1. So what is the value? Minus 1. In this place, you can put the minus 1. That means finally you will write like this: 2 minus omega plus omega square value is minus 1 into this one is over. Next one is 2 minus omega plus omega square value is minus 1. Again 2 minus, here also we can put the minus 1. Yakandra omega plus omega square value is minus 1. So minus into minus plus 2 plus 1 is the 3. Here also minus into minus plus 2 plus 1 is the 3. Minus into minus plus 2 plus 1 is the 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are In JEE mains level, advanced level, no one will give the shortcuts. Shortcut answer, no one will give. Only CET level shortcuts we can. That's why mathematical induction, it is only for CET level. That's why I explain the shortcuts there. Relation CET level, sets CET level, there I explain the shortcuts. But complex number is a question compulsory, 1 or 2 questions in JEE mains and advanced level 1 question. So therefore they give the shortcut method. That's why we have to learn the procedure. Children, one more time I am saying that if you are not understood, don't take tension. Again, 15th onwards, the offline classes are starting. When you come to the college, one more time you settle down and ask me, I clarify all the doubts. So one more time I am going to explain. Here two terms I am multiplying. 1 ones are 1 into omega square omega square, minus omega minus minus. Like this, these two terms I am doing. Here omega cube value is 1. Here omega power 5 we can convert in terms of cube into, because 3 plus 2 5, omega power 4, omega cube into omega, power 9 means cube into whole cube. Like this I did enough. Then wherever omega cube put 1. Then omega plus omega square, common terms. We have that one 1 plus omega square value equal to 0. Plus 1 you set that side, then omega plus omega square value is minus 1. If you substitute it, we'll get the answer. Okay. Now, so these are for today class. So remaining sums, whatever is there, we'll discuss in the next class. So thank you.